Click subscribe for update video every day.
You likely know Vizio for its HD TVs. As the company is proud to proclaim, it's the in the U.S. and has been at or near the top of the LCD market since 2007. But Vizio's comparatively new to the PC space, having brought its first laptops and all-in-one PCs to market just about a year ago. Since then, it updated its initial line of laptops to include touchscreens, speedy new 802.11ac gigabit Wi-Fi chips, and standard voltage processors, rather than the low-voltage chips that usually make their way into sub-inch thick laptops. With its nice 1080p IPS touchscreen, a silver metal exterior, and 0.68-inch thickness, the AMD-based 15.6-inch thin and light touch model CT15TB0 that Vizio sent us for review looks great, and at £84, it's reasonably light for a laptop of this size. At $1.190, the CT15TB0 model is priced reasonably well, given its high-resolution screen and powerful components, including a 128GB SSD and 8GB of RAM. But if you want the extra raw CPU muscle, and likely somewhat less powerful graphics, that comes with the Intel base Core i7 model, the price is considerably steeper, at $1.470. Let's see if Vizio's first year in the PC business has helped it become more than just a company known for its TVs. Vizio hasn't changed its laptop's exterior aesthetics since last year's models, which means you get slim, good looks and generally rigid-feeling construction. But you'll have to live with limited port selection as well as the same shallow, flat, non-backlit keyboard that we saw on the Vizio. Also didn't change the tapered sides around the keyboard area, which have sharp edges that can dig uncomfortably into your hands or wrists when typing. Discussing the ports is easy because, well, there aren't many, especially for a 15-inch laptop. The right edge houses a blue USB 3.0 port and an HDMI connector for plugging into an external monitor or HD TV. On the left, there's a second USB 3.0 port and a headphone jack. The power jack is also here. That's all the laptop offers for tethered connectivity. There's no SD card slot, no Ethernet jack, and only 2 USB ports to plug in adapters for the ports the system lacks. If you opt for a Vizio laptop, you'll probably want to invest in a travel-friendly USB hub. One of the main new features on Vizio's latest line of